how non-mobile you are. Okay. There is, did you? Okay, good. Because I was going to say, I thought you did. There is a Baton score, okay, and I'm going to show you, it talks about with this, so you're going to score your partner here, talks about if you're hypermobile, okay. So the first one is, and you guys don't do it yet because your partner gets to do that, if you can go ahead and palm the floor, okay. So if you can palm the floor, you can lay your hands flat on the floor. You get a point for that, okay? If you can touch your thumb back to your forearm, you get a point for that. You get a point for the right, a point for the left, okay? If you can go ahead and extend the elbow beyond neutral, so I got out the goni, do you remember how you would go ahead, and if you're measuring for elbow extension, how you measure for that? And if they have greater than, so it's actually going to look like straight plus some, okay, you're going to go ahead and record that. They get a plus for the right, a plus for the left, so 1 point for each of those. If you can take your little finger and you can bend it back, like you see where my hand is, if you bend it back to 90, okay, if you can do that, you get a point for the right, a point for the left. And then for your knee, so knee extension, if you can hyperextend your knees, you get a point for the right and a point for the left. So total, you should have 9 points. 8 for each side, you get a point. And then your 9th one is palm on the floor. So everything is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, except just the 1 point for the palm, okay?
When you say
So I want you to do that.
when you said the thumb to the forearm, is that straight back like that?
Yep.
That.
So,
Yep.
there
Okay, and then the other thing that I want you to do, so you're given 2 tasks. You're going to do this Baton score for hypermobility, and then you're also going to do the Marfan's arm length test. Okay, so what happens is if in inches you're 60 inches tall, 5 foot, and then you're against the wall here, and Shannon can pretty much like touch from side to side, so you just measure that. You measure that, you have longer arm length if it is greater than your height in inches. So does that make sense? Shannon, how tall are you?
72, 73.
73. So if her arm length is greater than 72 when she measures, then she would be positive for the arm length test. Okay? So do your arm length test, do your Baton score for hypermobility, and then we'll talk about them, okay?
Are these ones we just keep score ourselves?
You're going to keep score on your partner, and then you're going to report if they have any deviations.
Palms to the ground, is that like a completely